Do you really think your buddy will pay for those damages to your car? Hi, I'm attorney Jill Ruane, and in today's class in 2-Minute Law School, we are talking about what happens if you lend your car to your friend and they cause an accident. The answer depends on two key things: who owns the car insurance policy and the details of the accident itself. In most cases, car insurance follows the car, not the driver. This means that if you let your friend borrow your car and they get into an accident, your car insurance will usually be the one to cover the damages, up to the limits of your coverage. So even though you weren't driving, the liability often falls on your insurance first because it's your car. Now, if the damages or injuries exceed the limits of your insurance policy, that's when your friend's insurance might come into play as a secondary coverage. But here's the important part. If your friend doesn't have their own insurance, or if they were driving recklessly or without your permission, things could get very messy, and you might be on the hook for anything your insurance doesn't cover. Say you let your friend borrow your car to run an errand and they rear-end another vehicle at a stoplight. The damage to the other car is $5,000 and your car insurance liability coverage is $10,000. In this case, your insurance would cover the damage. But what if your friend caused $15,000 in damage and your policy only covers up to $10,000? That extra $5,000 might fall on your friend to pay, if they have insurance or can pay out of pocket. If they don't, the injured party could even sue you as the car owner. Now, what if your friend took the car without your permission? In that case, you could argue that you're not liable at all, but you might need to prove it in court. If you knowingly lent your car to someone who's unlicensed or under the influence, you could also face legal consequences for negligent entrustment. Class dismissed. But first, if you wish you went to law school or just want to be smarter and win that next argument with your friends, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get new classes when they drop.